Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Joy. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing this delicious meat pie recipe with you. These are all my ingredients for the pie filling. First, I put in a little bit of oil to fry my garlic, pepper, and onions before adding my ground beef. I kept stirring and mashing the meat with my wooden spoon to ensure that the meat doesn't form balls. Now that my beef is cooked and loose, I can now add all my seasonings and spices. So here I have my beef cube, that is half of a cube. Black pepper and thyme, 1 teaspoon each. 1 teaspoon of salt. A teaspoon of curry powder. The curry powder is also going to add a beautiful soft color to the beef. One tablespoon of flour. The flour is going to enhance the flavor and the texture of the beef. It is going to leave you with this juicy consistency that is perfect for meat pie. A little bit of water, less than 1/4 cup. Now I will stir it and leave it to simmer for about 5 more minutes on low heat. As you can see, this is the perfect color and consistency that I was looking for. Moving on to my dough, I measure 2 cups of self-rising flour. Half teaspoon of salt and nutmeg. I mix it together good before adding my butter and my egg yolk. Once I put in all my ingredients, I started to mix until it was completely combined. As you can see, it is completely combined and ready for the next step. The next step is to sprinkle in some cold water and mix together until my dough is formed. I am going to transfer my dough on the table to knead it a little bit more. With this process, you shouldn't overdo it. 1 to 2 minutes of kneading should be enough. After that, I put my dough away in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes to an hour to let it rest while my beef is also cooling down. The dough is now ready for the next step. The next step is to make the meat pie. This part of the process is self-explanatory. I don't think I need to explain anything here. So I'm going to use this egg yolk and a drop of water mix as a polish for my meat pie, you know, like a makeup glower, you know. I preheated my oven on Mark 5 for gas oven before putting in my meat pie. Now, this is the moment of truth. Tell me what you think in the comment section. So guys, this is it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel. Remember to like, comment, and share. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so whenever I post a new video, you will be notified. See you in my next video. Bye.